Hello guys. Ito po yung niluluto ko guys. Ito yung monggos. Ito yung bulad at saka siomai. At saka ito yung salad ng kamote. Ayan yung sili. May sili siya guys. So that's for ano panihapon guys. Panihapon. Ayan. Yan yung may sili doon. Oh. Ayan. Full healthy ba ito? For healthy living ba ito guys? Thank you for watching.